Good morning. Oh, look how beautiful you guys are. Here. Little ones. Look how beautiful they are. Hey, Mama. How are you, beautiful Mama? Feeling a little cold down in the weather, huh, Mama? Hey, Coco. Charcoal is coming in. Yeah, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, Charcoal? What's up, Charcoal? What's up, buddy? What's up, my buddy? Charcoal, Coco, Charcoal. That's my Coco. Yeah, babies. Happy to see me. Good morning to you all. Look how beautiful you guys are. Awesome. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Charcoal. We're still online. If you like, give comment and let me know if you want me to continue going live or shorts or long, or just watch the video list or the playlist. Have fun, enjoy. They are peaceful, they are beautiful, they are adorable. Look at each and one of them. Look at that beautiful stuff. Look at that beautiful stuff. Tell me, you find something like that. They're all cute and nice. Raise them up all since chicken. Including Mama, the old one. Alright, God bless. Hit the like, subscribe. And I hope you like, man. God bless. This is a new year. Help me build up the channel. So like that, it could get monetized. God bless. So I could buy food and make a better fence and everything for them. Thank you and God bless.